Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Balloon by nikicharmz. So today I have something a little different, a DIY decor video that you can easily pick up a vase from Dollartree or wherever, and I'm going to show you the rest of the supplies that I created with this look. So I picked up a vase from Dollartree, then I headed to Walmart to grab some paint and paint brushes. Let's get started. First we want to wash the vase to make sure it's nice and clean. Next, I'm taking my hot glue and I'm just creating little zigzags across the vase going vertically. You could create whatever pattern you desire. Once we're done, the design should look like this, giving the vase some texture. Then we move on to paint. I'm using a chalk style because I want a more ceramic stone look. For the first coat, I'm just using the paint and letting it dry. This is what the first coat looks like once it's dry. For the second coat, I'm adding some baking soda to my paint because I want it to have a stone look. I just added 2 tablespoons of baking soda to my paint and mixed it all together, and it has a thicker consistency. It should look like this. I'm just painting the vase, and you will see me actually painting it horizontally because it's actually giving the vase more texture. And this is the final result, and I love how it came out. It's so beautiful and the perfect texture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah!